We have to come back and Guyana some more. Hold on. Somebody make some noise right now. So we gotta pull along the music a bit because the captain need to make some contact with the outside. We want to pick up baby Ranveer, the only baby on the boards right now, baby Ranveer. Big up. Alright, so calling DJ Stefan. Make some noise to 71 Sound System. Alright, so in the meantime, baby fat man. Use baby fat man. Come see baby. Come baby fat man. Stand up, let him see you. Big up. I don't know. We're singing, don't worry. Everybody sing the thing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry. Don't worry about that thing right now. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Listen.
Alright, we're gonna be leaving around 4.
Anybody come down from Enmore? Yeah. We got people from Mahaika. We got people from Quarantine. Canal number 1 and canal number 2. Yeah. There was some potential. I want to get married. But nobody like me. They say go and fight me. That's why I can't find nobody. One more time, I want to get married. But nobody like me. Sing it in. They say go and fight me. That's why I can't find nobody. Look at me, I'll take this no more. And in the store, I told them bring myself. Time to nice up myself. Oh, I want to get married, but nobody like me. They say go and fight me. That's why I can't find nobody.